Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Pearl Milling Company pancakes. First, gather your ingredients: the pancake mix, milk, eggs, and a little oil. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and a whisk. Measuring accurately is key to achieving that perfect fluffy texture, so take your time with each component. Now, let's mix the batter. In your large bowl, combine 1 cup of Pearl Milling Company pancake mix with 3/4 cup of milk. Next, crack in 1 large egg and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Whisk these ingredients together gently until they are just blended. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so stop as soon as it's combined. Time to cook. Heat your lightly oiled griddle or frying pan to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water. They should sizzle. Pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them carefully to achieve a beautiful golden brown. Your delicious Pearl Milling Company pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic maple syrup is always a hit, but don't hesitate to add fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a dollop of whipped cream. These pancakes are perfect for a weekend breakfast or a special treat any day. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy every fluffy bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.